today is our like final day of scuba, like before the scuba final. So it's like we're getting really close. Today it's kind of, we're learning some new things, but then we're also reviewing stuff. So I'll be able to practice my mask clearing. So I really need to get that down because that's on the final. And I like drink a bunch of chlorine water every time. So the goal today is not to do that. So let's go, shall we?
You may want to, when you put this together, let go, you're not hooked up. You want to keep everything streamlined and you're not under the shoulder strap. There you go.
Why is it doing that?
Because you're not wet. I'll just give everybody a thing. Your right hand, you were hanging on here. And you go. Oh, okay.
Trying to not lose my hand.
Well, it looked like you were getting ready to step. All right, 3 things. Number 1, you jump. Number 2, you had this foot over the edge, and then you use that foot to step out with. If you're going to step out with the right foot, the left foot has to be over the edge to step out. And number 3, you splash. You're up. Do everything she didn't do. Put your foot over the edge more. Your pivot foot. Which foot are you stepping out with, all right? Get that left foot out more. Right there. There you go. Now you can step out.
I knew when I did it was wrong.
Are you ready, Franny?
Ready.
Go.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. What are you doing? It's so heavy. Put some air in your BC. Yeah, well, my BC belt is like pulling me under. Or my belt, weight belt.
I cleared my mask. Did you clear your mask?
I cleared my mask.
So I'm so proud of myself. We have our pool final next week. Next week?
Next week at 8:15.
So hopefully we learned everything and we remember it and we pass and get certified, you know. I'm so excited. I will see you guys next week and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.